Let's look at API error tracking within Coralogix APM. So I'm starting in the Log Explorer view. I've set some filters here for my front-end application, severity of error and critical logs. While this is giving us a good initial view of our logs, the real part that comes into play here is the ability to correlate these logs with our APM data. I can see this log about our checkout service I want to go and investigate. I select the three dots. I can go into the APM service drill down, taking us directly into the front-end service overview. Now, I want to focus on the API error tab here specifically. What makes this view particularly powerful is how it assembles thousands of similar API errors into clear, actionable groups. Each group shows us the operations affected, the first and last appearance, the total number of occurrences, and the error percentage relative to the total requests. At the top, we can see we have the three key metrics to focus on: the amount of error groups, our total errors, in this case nearly 47,000, our error percentages. Clicking into the internal server group, we can see all the instances affecting our checkout endpoint. What's particularly powerful here is the ability to filter by method and by operation, helping us isolate the specific problematic endpoints. Notice how we can sort by duration, so we can identify our most impacted issues. Selecting one of these errors takes us into our distributed tracing view. We can look at our dependencies, so we can see the correlation, and this capability is crucial. We can see the complete context from the request to the initial HTTP post through all the downstream service calls. Switching back to the Gantt view gives us a clear visualization here of the timing and its dependencies. What makes Coralogix API error tracking particularly valuable is how it helps you follow, grade, and resolve field errors, categorize those similar errors into meaningful groups, track those issues over time to determine patterns and frequencies, and correlate errors across your entire application stack. For example, grouping by HTTP status code helps us to identify and prioritize the most impactful errors, significantly reducing noise and minimizing service downtimes. The detailed timing analysis helps us pinpoint whether issues are related to specific deployments, traffic patterns, or configuration changes.